Hello, in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to upload to Displate.com. It's a print-on-demand website, and this is the best place to get your designs if you want it on a metal plate. And so first you got to go to Displate.com, and of course you want to make your own account, and you want to make an account so you can sell on Displate.com. Once you do that, you got to go to Displate.com, and on the right hand side you're going to go click on your profile picture right here, and you want to click on upload your artwork. Once you are here, it says drag it, drop it, upload it, add your files by dragging and dropping it anywhere, or simply click. I actually like how this website, when I move my mouse, the picture moves too. And so these are the requirements that you need to look at right here. And let's just go through it together. It says before uploading your artworks, make sure they meet our requirements. So you must be the owner of their image, meaning it has to be copyright free. You can't steal somebody's artwork and just upload it as your own. Only high print quality uploads are published. Minimum 300 dpi in RGB mode. JPEG size up to 30 megabytes. Shortest side at least 2900 pixels. And yeah, as we move on, this is the ratio that you need for the dimensions. This is the one I recommend that you look at right here to get the exact dimensions. And obviously no logos, no watermarks, no borders. And text content shall be in from the edge, at least 200 pixels for the file with minimum size, 4060 pixels, 2900 pixels, and so on. So these are the requirements you want to look at. And so after that, you read the requirements, make sure to look at the dimensions right here, and then you want to click add artwork. I added my artwork, so right now it's just a text that I'm going to use as an example, and I'm going to put on the right hand side the title of the artwork. Once you filled in your title, you want to go to description. You just want to put a story, you just want to describe your artwork in this section. So for this section, it says add to collection. Every time you add artwork, you need to choose collection. If you don't have any, create a new one. So I'm going to create a new collection by clicking on this. And for this one, I'm going to press text. Alright, so this part says type, choose whether your artwork is a photo or an illustration. I'm going to click it's an illustration because it's not a photo. So once you're here, you're going to press the category that best fits your artwork. So for this one, it looks like it's a text. It looks like it's for music. So I'm just going to choose the ones that are appropriate. So right here, I see music. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to choose minimalistic because it does look minimalistic. I'm also going to click text art. This looks perfect. You can only add up to 3, so I would recommend clicking up to the best appropriate categories. Once you're finished, you're going to go to the tags section, and then you're going to click on the tags box right here to write your tags in. But it also says add 7 to 20 tags and help your display be found. So you just want to put the appropriate tags for the section. I recommend putting up to 20 tags if possible, so it's going to help you best in your search results for customers to find your product. Once you are finished putting the tags, you're going to go to the section and it says upload, and you're going to press on it. Okay, so once you're here, you clicked upload, it's going to have a screen pop up, and you're going to checkbox this. Of course, you have to read it to see if you agree. After that, you're going to click I'm not a robot. Once you are done, it's going to say hooray, artwork uploaded. And it says your images will be verified for the print quality. The process can take up to 48 hours. So go grab a drink, hang out with friends, or upload more artworks. So basically all that means is you just have to wait until your artwork is done being verified. And that's how you upload to Displate.com.